no kids in my room. All right, guys, so for today, we did a Kahoot review, and I have sent each class period their own review. So if you did not complete the review in class, you need to complete that review for me. It is preparing you for Monday's quiz. I will be sending answer keys to all of the homework assignments we have done, so you can use those to check it. You can also use this Kahoot review, which will give you instant feedback to make sure you know and understand what to do for Monday's quiz. Monday's quiz will be on Fusion due to all the absences, in and out, all that motion. So your quiz on Monday will be on Fusion, whether you're in person or remote. And then on Tuesday, we're going to pick back up with lesson 3.3. So study, know what you need to know, and make sure you complete this Kahoot. It is worth points. Now, a few of the Kahoot questions I added to the end of this video with explanations, just sort of reminding you and reviewing with you some of those key ideas. Recall classifying independent, intersecting, one solution. If they are coinciding lines, infinitely many in a dependent system, and if the lines are parallel, that's no solution and inconsistent. Our two methods for solving systems algebraically are substitution and elimination. You want to use elimination if your variables have the same coefficients in front. You want to use substitution if the power of the coefficient in front is 1. And you can easily solve for x or y. So just a nice summary of 3.1 and 3.2, and good luck on your Kahoot. Substitution, because you have y equals 3x, x plus 2, and y equals 4x minus 3. So you would set these equal to each other. So you have 3x, x plus 2, just set it on the corner, equals 4x minus 3. And we're going to get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other. So I'd subtract 4x and subtract 2. So 3 halves minus 4. Well, 3 halves is like 1.5. So again, if you had a calculator, you could take 3 halves, subtract 4, and get negative 2.5. If you kept it as fractions, you could have negative 5 halves. Both of those are okay. These canceled, that canceled, you get negative 5. You're going to multiply by its reciprocal to get x alone. So you get x equals a negative times a negative, which is a positive. And we get x equals 2. To find y, I would surely plug back into the one without the fraction. However, if you plugged into the one with the fraction, they'd cancel. But you get 4 times 2 minus 3, which is 8 minus 3, which is 5. So we have x equals 2 and y equals 5. Better? Awesome. Okay, back to our Kahoot. So Micah, you need to join the Kahoot. The game pin's in the bottom right hand corner. Okay, another solving the system. You have 2x plus 5 equals negative x plus 2. So you would move over the negative x to get 3x, move over the 2 to go join with the 5, and you'd have 3x equals 3, and then, or equals negative 3, and then divide by 3 to get the negative 1. This problem set, and I have that 5r stacked on a 5r. Please use elimination. If you want to rearrange them and subtract the top from the bottom, so you have 7a minus 6a, to get a positive A, that's fine too. But if I see two equations stacked like this and the second or first variables match, use elimination. Does everybody know how to set up and use elimination? So like I would subtract the bottom from the top. A is X, and yeah, it's so like the first variable given is always the first coordinate. And again, if you didn't have a calculator and you need one, I always have them sitting back here for you. I don't know why it like turned off. I think it said it ran out of time. Lines are what type of lines? There you go. I see Miss Jenkins. She's got it. They're covering each other, right? If they cover and sit right on top of each other, don't they have to have the same X and Y intercept? Yes. Micah and Ryan. Okay, Ryan, you will get 5 bonus points added to Monday's test. However, the bonus points I'll probably put on your score for the Kahoot because it's easier for me to add them to the Kahoot score than a test. Yes.